Uthuthuria wa kamiti ya Senate wegi ikuu cia Shakahola no uthiite na mbere gutafanio umuthi muhunjia Bishop Margret Wanjiru wa kanitha wa Jesus is Alive Ministries hamwe na urugamiriri wa kanitha wa Repentance and Holiness wa Prophet David Awor magikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino iria tongoragio ni Senator wa Tana River Danstan Mugatana na kuona ciiko cia Shakahola ciacungiriirio thutha wa muingi kuhitithio na mahunjio mogomu ni Paul Mackenzie. Kamiti ino ni yendire kumenya gitumi kia niki arumiriria kanitha wa Prophet Awor wa Repentance and Holiness monekanaga magithambia barabara iria ekugera riria ari na micemanio minene.
We have seen even heads of state when they are visiting a place, the road is tarmacked, at least for the people to show the president, the head of state, that we really welcome you with all of our heart.
Na ciigi ciama iria cirikanaga kuhanika kanitha-ini wa Awor arugamiriria yake maugite ni manicihanikaga kuria megukite na amwe aria manahona ta ciana makiugo na aria manakorwo marwarite murimu ta wa mukingo mahona ni mathimagwo ni marigitari ao na makonekana ni mane mahonete.
So many people who are suffering in major hospitals in this country, they wish to come to your services.
Yes.
They have never got this opportunity because of their condition. Have you ever visited them and conducted this miracle?
If then a person has been healed from HIV, do you bring back that report to the church and the person himself? The live broadcast of the miracles should be encouraged.
Yes.
Because everyone watching can tell that this is not edited.
Oho ni mageririe gutariria kamiti ino gitumi kia niki metaga Awor Mightiest Prophet kuria monekanire makiheana itumi tiganite ona thengia wao gukorwo megukite kurugamirira mundu umwe.
When Prophet Dr. Awor, in his encounter with God, he told us, okay, I met the Lord and the Lord addressed me as the mightiest prophet.
Handu-ini hake ari mbere ya kamiti ino muhunjia Bishop Margret Wanjiru wa kanitha wa Jesus is Alive Ministries ni ahinyiriirie gucokio kwa mutaratara uria wahuthikaga hau kabere wa kuhitukia makanitha na kuheo marua ma kuhunjia kiuga ndeto ya Shakahola ya gukorwo eri nene gukira uria andu mamenyete ihinda-ini riri.
Before Jesus is Alive Ministries was registered, we were actually investigated for 4 to 5 years. Of which those 4 to 5 years, we were operating under another church, another denomination that was licensing us to operate.
Gukiri uguo Wanjiru ni aheanite meendekithia maria mangiteithiriria kugiririria ciiko ta cia Shakahola gwicokera na ona undu ta uyu ungikorwo kihanika handu hangi no uhote kumenyekana tene na ugiriririo.
We promote the security agencies, including bringing in and strengthening Nyumba Kumi, but also we promote the security agencies working with the religious institutions.
No na gutuika makanitha ni maugite ni mekurutithania wira na thirikari ni mahinyiriirie murugamo wao wigi makanitha kwiramata mene na oho gutigirira o kanitha uri rungu rurugamiriri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.